Empty your mind. The push-up. It is one of the simplest workouts for upper body power. But do not mistake simplicity for ease. Done with intent, it turns the body into iron. Done without focus, and you are not building strength. You are merely leaking energy and inviting injury. Most people hunt for high numbers. They cheat the movement to satisfy the ego. They are not pushing the earth away. They are simply falling towards it. There are 5 interruptions in your flow that are robbing you of your true potential. We must eliminate them now. Mistake number 1. The broken gaze. You crane your neck upward, searching for the finish line. But the fight is not in front of you. It is beneath you. When you lift your head, you break the kinetic chain. The spine is no longer a steel rod. It is a bent reed. The alignment is lost, and the tension shifts from your muscles to your neck. Do not look at the horizon. Look at the earth. Fix your eyes on a single point on the floor. Just beyond your fingers. Keep the neck neutral. Your body must be one long, unbroken line, from your heel to your crown. Mistake number 2. The flared wing. You flare your elbows wide, creating the shape of a T. This places the shoulder in a position of weakness. You are grinding the joint instead of loading the muscle. Power must not leak out to the sides. It must flow forward. Tuck the elbows. Find the 45-degree angle. From above, do not look like a cross. Look like an arrow, streamlined, focused, ready to strike. Mistake number 3. The sagging bridge. You let the hips collapse toward the floor. You seek comfort in the curve. But this is not strength. This is surrender. When the middle sags, you disconnect the upper body from the lower. You crush the spine and rob the movement of its true purpose. You must be a single, solid unit. Tighten the core. Squeeze the glutes. There should be no dip, no softness. Do not be a wet rope. Be a steel beam. From head to heel, unbreakable. Mistake number 4. The collapsed chest. You roll the shoulders forward, hiding your power. You create a hollow shell. By doing this, you disengage the engine. You take the load away from the powerful chest and dump it onto small, fragile stabilizers. They are not built for this burden. They will fail you. You must remain open. Pull the shoulders back. Lock the blades down. Do not crumble under the weight. Meet the floor with a proud chest and a rigid frame. Mistake number 5. The vertical trap. You move like an elevator. Straight up, straight down. You think this is discipline? It is limitation. To purely fight gravity on a vertical line is to miss the full engagement of the chest. You must not simply rise. You must project. Do not just lift your weight. Push the earth away from you. Create a subtle arc, driving slightly forward as you ascend. Make the floor regret resisting you. Now, the form is pure. The vessel is sealed. But physical errors are only half the battle. There are invisible mistakes. Mistakes of programming, of mindset, that render your sweat useless. Do not let your effort be in vain. Click here, eliminate the waste, and perfect the path.